Hey, right everyone, how you doing? Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching. I am doing another video of the micro HDMI connected to the TV. I had a few questions of how does the video play and what does it look like. Well, basically, just zoom out a bit. You can see my tablet on the right and it's connected via micro HDMI to my TV in the center. My TV is just a LG LH3000 180p. Oh look, screensaver. Cool, yeah. So let's just run through a few things with the HDMI. Obviously it works. It's good. It's responsive. I don't know if this is either the power of the tablet or the TV itself, but the tiles and the colors look great on the tablet, you know, nice and sharp, but when it's on the TV it does look a bit washed out. Like, it's not bad, but it doesn't look as sharp as it does on the tablet. See if I can zoom in and find out. You can just see that it looks alright, but if I go down to the tablet, it just looks a bit sharper. Let's just zoom out and see them both. There we go. Now I've been asked how to play, not how to play like 180p movies. So here I've got some Fast and Furious films. Now Tokyo Drift is my favourite one, and because it's all the cars, the shiny cars and everything, I think that it will show off the brightness, but I don't know if the film is not that bright or if it's just the tablet. When I was viewing it on the tablet, it looked subpar, it looked alright, but now seeing it on the TV, it looks decent, looks fine. So let's fast forward. So as you can see, it looks fine watching it. Let's get the mouse out of the way. Looks in sync. Let's kind of fast forward to more of the quick race part, see if it stays in sync. Let's see. You can see it played well, kept in sync, the sound was in sync. The volume is controlled by your TV instead of the tablet. Obviously if you put the tablet on mute, it will be on mute here, but the volume is transferred to the TV as its micro HDMI sound is travelled through it. So my TV speakers ain't the best. Like, you'd literally have to put it near maximum to really enjoy anything. But if you've got surround sound connected to your TV, it'll work out fine, it'll be great. So yeah, that was just like 180p playback. It worked fine, it stayed in sync. Tablet can handle it even while it's connected to a TV. As you saw before, I've got a screensaver. Now, I've not used a screensaver in such a long time. And just the other day I was like, does anyone actually still use a screensaver? I mean, do they? Because with PCs and everything now that you can turn it to hibernate and it will turn back on in a minute. There's no point just leaving it on, but I thought I'd do a screensaver, and I noticed something quite different with this screensaver. So this old setting, remember? So look, it shows you a preview. Let's just zoom in now, actually can't see nothing. So it shows you a preview of the bubbles going across the screen. So even if you click preview, so that's what the screensaver is supposed to look like. Because that's the preview. It says, oh, you want to see what it looks like. But you click apply, and if I waited a minute, it wouldn't show what it showed in the preview. It just showed the background of the Windows 8 and the bubbles going around. Now, I don't particularly mind it, but considering the preview showed the bubbles going on the desktop screen, it's just like, whoa, what's going on? Am I getting it with the red background like on it? It was just the background, with the bubbles, but on the preview it shows it bouncing all over the place on the desktop. So yeah, I thought I'd try that, but it works. The last time I used the micro HDMI with Jetpack Joyride, it kept having like black lines appearing. So I thought, let's try something else. So let's try like, this is a standard app, Cocktail Flow. Now let's zoom out, just keep showing it that it has the tablet attached to it. Now Cocktail Flow is a great app. It's beautiful. It shows everything how to make cocktails. Now on the Windows 8 it's free. It doesn't have as much as it does on the Windows Phone, which I did purchase. Well, it has a vast collection of drinks. It has packages that you can download for free, like, you know, Valentine's package, or I think there was like a Super Bowl package. But this one has a few select drinks, but nothing to download. So let's go for whiskey. Whiskey is my favorite. So yeah, Godfather. Just click on that. Now it shows a nice picture. Shows what it looks like, and it tells you how to prep it. Pretty easy. Put ice cubes in an old-fashioned glass. Pour the spirit on the rocks. Simple. So if we go for let's go for like cocktails. That's more a harder one. So yeah, an exotic drink, that would be harder to make, wouldn't it? See what that's got layers. What has layers? None of these have layers. No, I want something with layers. It's a bit better. Yeah, it's shots actually. Yeah. So you got the After 5. Now with the preparation, it's more in detail. It says pour the coffee liqueur in a shot, so you can see a little picture. Let's actually just zoom in actually. Just pour the coffee liqueur in a shot glass. Gently layer it with Irish cream. It even shows using the back of the spoon while you're pouring it in. Then the peppermint, and use the back of the teaspoon to separate layers when pouring. See, and it should come out looking like that. But yeah, so the app seems to be running fine. There's no black lines going on off, but it's not graphic intensive or anything. So bloody brain, gotta love that. Ooh, I like drinks. Cool. So let's go for a game. Let's go for a game. I think I've done some of these. Done Ragdoll Run. Got Alpha Jacks. Some of these cute. Let's go for something I haven't tried yet. Let's go for Ice Stunt. I don't think I've tried that one yet, have I? Cool. So just reminding you, it is still connected to the micro HDMI. Just zooming in there. Alright, let's see how this goes. I've just realised I cannot use the keyboard for this game. I can use the mouse to just do about like pause and rewind, but to actually move the character, there's nothing I can do on the keyboard. Is there any mouse tricks I can do? No, not at all. Oh, well, that game's not designed for touch, not for keyboard and mouse. So, I can just close it like that. I don't know. Alright, well, that was a bit of a fail. It doesn't work with keyboard. So most of these games are, like I said, touch. So I would have to touch my tablet at the same time, but you see, it worked a bit fine. It was alright. So now in music, it works fine. Like micro HDMI worked perfect. It's just the part 2. If there's anything you want me to try with the Xbox, with micro HDMI, let me know. Cause I think I've played games, I've watched a video. Yeah, not much else to do. So I'm just going with the flow. We're just trying to think at the same time as talking. Not helping much. But yeah, so that was just another long video. Sorry, it's not quick. I've really got to learn how to shorten these things down. But yeah, that's micro HDMI part 2. It works. It's nice and no problem. And the cable only cost me like £1.50 or £2. It was just a very cheap one off Amazon. I don't even know if it's gold plated, but it works perfectly fine. It's been plugged into the back of my TV and just left there for ages because I have a PC connected to the TV, so I don't have no point connecting my tablet to it just yet. Maybe my PC broke, then I have plenty of reason to. But yeah, There we go. Alright, thanks. Like, subscribe. Let me know if there's anything you want me to do. I'll be happy to do it for you. Alright, take care.